You forgot the negative!
Let us introduce you to some calculus, all that math you used to do. It won't compare to this, we got lots of functions with x and y, so don't forget your algebra, it still applies. Now give me a function and pick a point. I'll draw a tangent line, won't disappoint. Take the slope of the tangent line, you know what that gives? The instantaneous rate of change, the derivative.
Next we use equations and we don't need no more graphs. I'll teach you all these rules to save no time to laugh.
There's limit definitions such as rise over run, where the presence of the y and the run goes to none.
Now we'll talk the power rule, it's simple and it's fast. You gotta change the exponents from less than the last. Take the former exponent and move it to the front. You learn the first way, now on to another one.
Next we'll do the product rule, two functions multiplied, f prime g plus f g prime, the formula this time.
Third is the quotient rule, the function that divides f prime g minus f g prime over g squared.
Finally the chain rule, one function in another. It may seem complicated, but we can help each other. Grab the inner function, then do it to the outer, multiply them together like an internet router.
When in doubt, derive it out.
Trying to find f prime, but you can't solve a y.
What you gonna do, girl? What you gonna try?
And put some differentiation both sides arrive.
And when you come across a y, what do you do?
True, y is the inner function, use the chain rule.
2 chains!
I guess in my question, word supplies, but just hold up a minute, we won't tell you no lies. You can do related rates to find maxes and mins, and function point formalize optimization.
We often learn derivatives as though they come first, but after them is integrals, derivatives, and bursts. When you need to find a function that someone just arrived, you can use the integral to get the function they supplied.
Plus C!
If you want to find the area that's under that curve, the integral will give you the number you deserve. F of b minus f of a, the integrals are come according to calculus fundamental theorem!
Sometimes you have two functions, one above and one below. You want to find the area of the functions enclosed. Integrate them both on their own. Do the top minus bottom, and the answer is shown.
Now with the integral, there's lots that you can do. You can find an arc length or an average value. You can also use the integral to find the volume of absolute cross-sections or of revolutions.
Limits, integrals, and rates of change. They're important parts of calculus and good for your brain. Don't forget, all this info is important for you. You can even use it later when you leave the classroom. Now we've reached our limit and we've summed it all up. Someday you'll even love calculus as much as us.
Now get ready everybody and put on your stirrups.
That's a wrap.
I'm really upset.
Who's ever going to use another math course in college or high school?
Well, engineering everyone.
I know.
Oh, the camera's still going?
Yeah.
There's people.
Look how dirty these shoes got today.